Hey there, YouTube family. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic that's essential for keeping your online accounts secure and up to date: how to change your email on PayPal in 2025. Whether you've switched to a new email for better security or just want to update an old one, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. PayPal is one of the most popular payment platforms, and managing your account details is a breeze once you know the steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. If you haven't already, head to the PayPal website or open the app and enter your current email and password. Once you're in, look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear or profile picture in the top right corner. Click on that to access your account settings. Next, navigate to the Email or Personal Information section. This is where you'll see your current email address listed. To change it, click on the option to edit or add a new email. You'll need to enter your new email address carefully, double-check for typos to avoid any verification issues. After you submit, PayPal will send a verification code to your new email. Go ahead and check your inbox and spam folder, just in case, for that email from PayPal. Once you have the code, enter it back in the PayPal verification page to confirm the change. That's it. You've successfully updated your email. Remember, this process helps protect your account from potential security risks, like if your old email gets compromised. A few quick tips. Always use a secure email for PayPal, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, and keep an eye on your account for any unusual activity. If you run into any hiccups, PayPal's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.